राम रंगी रंगल. Kalashri Sangeet Gurukul is trying to demonstrate the popular abhangas which are sung by Pandit Bhimsen Joshi ji. It is our humble attempt to try to find out what are the ragas in this abhanga, try to study, try to learn from this popular abhangas. What are the exact melodies? What are the exact families are used in this abhanga, which are so popular in the world today? So this is our sincere effort to study all this divine subject. So it's our kind request to all the viewers and the listeners. If you have any queries, if you have any comments, if you have any questions regarding this series, please uh, feel free to comment on this series. Please feel free to question us. Please feel free to ask your queries. Uh, we will be trying our best to understand the subject more deeply. We will try our best to solve all the queries regarding this rag base and the demonstrations we are trying to have with this abhangas. Thank you very much. Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to the series Abhangaranga. This is the first episode of this series, and we are going to discuss a very popular abhanga, Ata Kote Dhave Mana, written by Santa Tukaram and beautifully composed by Shri Ram Phatak. Originally sung by Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. Let's look at the composition first. आता कोठे धावे मन, आता कोठे धावे मन, आता कोठे धावे मन, तुझे चरण देख लिया, तुझे चरण देख लिया. आता कोठे धावे मन, आता कोठे धावे मन, तुझे चरण देख लिया, तुझे चरण देख लिया. भाग गेला क्षीण गेला, भाग गेला क्षीण गेला, भाग गेला क्षीण गेला. अवघा झाला आनंद, अवघा झाला आनंद. आता कोठे धावे मन, आता कोठे धावे मन, तुझे चरण देख लिया, तुझे चरण देख लिया. प्रेम रसे बैसली मीठी, प्रेम रसे बैसली मीठी, आवडी लाठी मुखाशी, आवडी लाठी मुखाशी, आता कोठे धावे मन, आता कोठे धावे मन, तुझे चरण देखलिया, तुझे चरण देखलिया. तुका म्हणे आम्हा जोगे, तुका म्हणे आम्हा जोगे, विठ्ठल घोगे खरे माप, विठ्ठल घोगे खरे माप, विठ्ठल घोगे खरे माप. आता कोठे धावे मन, आता कोठे धावे मन, तुझे चरण देखलिया, तुझे चरण देखलिया, तुझे चरण देखलिया. Now let's look at the rag base of this abhanga. Actually, no one can say that every abhanga is composed in particular rag, but there are prominently some ragas which are being used in these abhanga compositions. So in that way, this abhanga is composed in rag Tilang. So now let's see what is rag Tilang. Sa, sa ga ma pa ni sa. Re and the are not there in the aroha, that is ascending order, and sa ni pa ma ga sa. So again, re and the are not there in the descending order too, but there is a difference in ni, that is komal ni, in the descending order. Sa ga ma pa ni sa, sa ni pa ma ga sa. आता कोठे धावे मन. If we look at the notation of the first line, ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ma ga ma, it perfectly matches with the Tilang rag base. आता कोठे धावे मन, तुझे चरण देखलिया. गम प सा नि प म ग म म ग, गम प ध प ग ग सा सा. So here we can see the variety or the mixture of the various swaras or the combinations of ragas. Komal dha and komal ga is introduced in this composition. Ga ma pa sa ni pa ma ga ma ma ga, ga ma pa dha pa ga ga sa sa. That is tujhe charan dekhliya. Now let's look at the first charan, that is first stanza of this abhanga. भाग गेला शीण गेला. So again, komal ga is playing a vital role in this line. Ga 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 gama pani pa ga sa sa sa, and Komal Ga joins with Komal Ni too, which is not there in Rag Tilang. So as I said, in Abhanga or the compositions in this form are mixed with many ragas, blended with many combinations of ragas. So this line says, Bhag gela shin gela ga 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 gama pani pa ga sa sa sa. Next line. भाग गेला क्षीण गेला अवघा झाला आनंद. So in the next line it comes back to Shuddha Ga. Gama pa pa dhamma ga. Somewhere near Khamaj That. This is the main phrase of Khamaj. Gama pa dhamma ga. So अवघा झाला आनंद. So it comes back to Tilang again. Gama pa sa ni pa gama pa pa dhamma ga अवघा झाला आनंद. Gama pa pa dhamma ga gama pa sa ni pa आता कोठे धावे मन. Now let's see the second charan. प्रेम रसे बैसली मीठी. Now this is the combination again with Rag Khamaj. Pa 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 dhamma gama pa आवडी लाठी मुखाशी गमध ध ध धनी पद प आवडी. So again it is coming back to Rag Tilang. आवडी लाठी मुखाशी गमपनी ni 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 sa ni pa. So as we are looking at this abhanga from the first segment, first charan and the second charan also, the second line is coming back with Rag Tilang. So that is why I said that this abhanga prominently is based on Rag Tilang. We can go with the second charan again. प्रेम रसे बैसली मीठी pa 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 dhamma gama pa आवडी लाठी मुखाशी गम ध ध धनी पद प आवडी लाठी मुखाशी आता कोठे धावे मन तुझे चरण देखे. Now let's come to the end of this abhanga. तुका म्हणे आम्हा जोगे. So in every abhanga which is written by the great saints, that is Sant Tukaram, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnandev, Sant Janabai, Sant Muktabai, these are the great saints in the Marathi form, especially Maharashtra form. So this is the main identity of this abhanga. When we say Tuka Mane, so this line says that Sant Tukaram has written this abhanga. Tuka Mane आम्हा जोगे गम पनि नि सा सा. So the last segment again coming back with purely राग तिलंग बेस. गम प नि नि सा सा तुका म्हणे आम्हा जोगे विठ्ठल घोगे सा रे नि ध प. So it is mixing with Rag Khamaj again. Sa re ni ध प रे म पद नि पद प विठ्ठल घोगे खरे माप. विठ्ठल घोगे खरे माप. प प ध म म ग रे ग सा सा. So if you look at the last segment of this abhanga, everything is mixed with Rag Tilang, Rag Khamaj. We are looking at the Komal Ga with all these families. So this is the mixture of everything which is used in this abhanga. तुका म्हणे आम्हा जोगे विठ्ठल घोगे खरे माप. गम प नि सा सा रे नि ध प रे म पद नि पद प विठ्ठल घोगे खरे माप. पध म ग रे ग सा. आता कोठे धावे मन तुझे चरण देखिया. तुझे चरण देखिया. राम रंगे रंगले मन राम रंगे राम रंगे रंगले मन राम रंगे रंग.